Hello, everyone, and I hope that you are enjoying the lectures. And today I am here with the lecture number 8. And in this lecture, we will talk about the change of character. I'm talking about the coach. Some people say it's CHOCH, change of character, whatever you say. Uh, this is the powerful tool that is widely used by smart money traders, and this is basically identifies the change of the trend that it can possibly change the trend. And today I'm going to highlight you that how actually we can trade it, because most of the students and the subscribers who are using the smart money concepts, they are actually using it in a different way. So I will tell you that how you can make the things very powerful just by going to enhance that strategy in this video. Okay, so first of all, if you're watching this video and you are completely new to this lecture, then please first of all go to the playlist. Here you will find the advanced trading course, and I'm teaching everyone for free without any charge. Yes, I do have 1 hour private mentorship in which I simply deliver the key strategy that actually works in the market. Okay, yes, if you want to book the live the 1 hour mentorship program with me, then you can contact on Telegram or email. Otherwise, you can simply learn, and from the free YouTube videos, go to the playlist. There is a playlist in the name of Advanced Trading Free Course. So you can simply learn trading from it. No need to pay anything. But yes, if you want to get something really special, then you need to book the 1 hour private mentorship. Okay, so let's open any chart. And okay, guys, first of all, I'm just for the reference. I again repeat, just for the reference, I'm using the Lux Algo Smart Money concepts. Okay, so that this is the very good indicator if you are going to find out the change of characters and everything. Okay, so it's not about the Lux Algo. Yes, definitely is doing a very good work in the community, but I just want to enhance the strategy for my subscribers, and that's why I'm here. Okay. Okay, guys, so you know very well, when we get a green change of character, it's a bullish sign. Normally what happens that you can see a change of character here, so immediately the traders will enter into the buy position, and you can see this is the successful trade. Okay. Okay, so here it was the change of character, and then you can see that after the change of character, we have seen two bearish candles. Okay, okay, so I'm just going to show you each and everything. Okay, so this is the change of character, price down. Okay, completely fine. Okay, so this was the change of character. Okay, so let's say from here, if the retail traders entered into the short position, they are gone, because the next change of character is basically coming at the middle, and after that, those who were buying here, they are simply gone. Okay, so you need to trade with the logic, and that's why I'm here to teach you that how you can exactly do this. Okay, now just look at another scenario. There was a bullish change of character, but immediately you can see the price is reversed. So why this is happening? Okay, so you need to understand first thing, that basically the banks know all these things, that like what what is available in the market. Okay, they know very well that what is available in the market, and they normally plan something that is against your direction. Okay, so for example, let's take an example. This is the Eurocad level, like, right? Okay, so if you have watched my lecture number 2, then I have talked about the liquidity pool. So what this is called the support for the market, right? So I'm just going to write here support level. Okay, so if this is a sport level, then you can see the sport is just broken. And if I uh, if I show you here, then you can see we have the change of character. So what happens normally? Immediately the traders enter into the short position. This is completely wrong. You should not take such type of risks, because if you just look at here, this was the liquidity pool area, and the market has just hunted the stop losses. So might it can go and reverse, and the first resistance that is available here, Okay, so it can get the rejection from here, or it might be it can make any fair value gap just below that level, and it can be rejected from here. So if you are selling from here, then first of all they will blow you. They will blow you the maximum times. It happens because today the market is bit in the favors, like the change of character, and you can see simply it's went up. But this is not going to happen all the time, because I know I have a very good experience with the change of characters. Okay, now just look at here. Now this is the good example. Okay, change of character. So you, let's say you have taken a sell position, so you have just taken a sell position only to hunt few nuts, few peanuts. No, this is very bad, because this is the sport area for the retail trader. So this level that you can see on the smart money concept, this can work. Otherwise the market can make a lower level here. Okay, and then from here it can reverse. Okay, because the liquidity is also available at that level. So let's see, let me attach my indicator and let's see what the difference is coming. Look at this. Okay, now look at this. This is the difference you can see. uh, for me this is the immediate entry, because this is the sport for the retail trader. Okay, this is the sport. Okay, so look at this. So definitely the market will come to liquidate that sport. So where the best liquidity option is available, the best liquidity option is available, that my market turning points indicator is telling you, that after hunting the stop losses of the retail traders who are sitting here, they will simply go into the upward side. Okay, that's the difference. That's makes my market earning points indicator the best one. And trust me, so far my all students who are using this indicator with the proper logic, they are profitable. And you can check this thing from my Telegram channel. I have shared a lot of reviews, and even I also share my personal trades on the Telegram channel. You can go and verify it. Okay. Okay, so my main point of interest is, so for example, just imagine that this level is not available here. There is no sport available at that level, and the market is just here. So in that case, we can say that now look, I have hidden that area. Now, just imagine that this is the current situation. So the situation says this is the sport. Okay, so now this could be the best level for the reversal, because their stop losses were lying below and the market has taken their stop losses. Now it's the time to go up. Okay, so understand the logic, because if you are not understanding the logic, you will be completely blown. Okay, you will be completely blown, because the market is not going to behave in your way. Okay, now just look at this, another logic that I am going to show you. This is the Nifty chart. Okay, so first of all, you can see what happens here. Just look at here. This was the sport area, right? This was the sport area, and exactly near to the sport area, the smart money has shown you the change of character. So retail traders enter into the short, so they went up to blow their stop losses. Okay, and now mostly the tactics that the market will use. Okay, so for example, now you can see, now the change of character come, immediately retail trader will enter into the buy position. This is completely wrong. This is not, yes, this will work sometime, but not all the time. So first of all, look at the behavior when you have taken a buy position. What the market has done, might be it has taken your stop losses from here, and after that they have simply went into the upward direction. Okay, so I will also make a complete detailed video about the fair value gaps, and in the later sessions, when we in the later lectures, then I just require you to watch those videos, because they will be very helpful. Okay, otherwise you can also trade from the levels order blocks as well. Now look, this is the complete sense that right now, just look at the market, where the market is going. Simply I can say that this is the bullish trend going on. Okay, the trend was bullish. Okay, so for example, just there was a change of character, fine. Okay, now the market hit your trend line. This is fine, because the stop losses of the retail traders were lying here, but this time the market does not comes to eat their stop losses, and it made a bullish level from here. So this is fine, but personally I will not take that trade, because I always look for the stop losses that are lying in that area. So mostly what the market do, so first of all it comes, eat the stop losses, break your trend lines, and then again it continued into the upward pattern. So this type of the trend line touch up trades, they are very very dangerous. To be honest with you, if you are a trend line trader, this will be very very dangerous for you, because the market is not going to respect you all the time and you will be in a big trouble. So if you mark my words that if you are not going to just disappoint yourself, then you need to follow the same way. Okay, now let's see the gold. Okay, so just look at there. These are the traps. You can see the bearish price reverse. Okay, now just look at there, because there is a lot of manipulation in the gold, and I'm just going to show you the picture. Look, just look at here, bullish change of character, but what happens? Instead of going up, the price went down. Okay, look, this is the bearish change of character. Yes, they have shown you peanuts, and they took the price up to here. Look at this. This is the bearish change of character, but what happened? Look, the price went up. Okay, now look at here. Yes, this is the bullish change of character, but if you follow my advice that do not plan any trade blindly, always see that if you have a pullback from the level, then you can go for that trade. Okay, look at this bearish change of character, but there was a bullish level, you can see. And look, now bearish bullish change of character, so how you can trade in that way? This is not right. So just take my advice. Okay, go to the, let's say, use the higher time frames, at least the 15-minute. Okay, so right now just look at the situation. This is the completely liquidity pool area. This is completely a liquidity pool area. The market, if you ask me, the market will first break that level, and it will make the rejection somewhere from the top, and you get a scalping chance. Otherwise, it's not possible for you to make money easily from that market. Okay, so now by looking at this market, it looks very sweet that this is the good sport for the USD card. But if you ask me, the good sport is available somewhere below it. Okay, yes, we use some technical figures to calculate it. So it can be below, it can be even lower than this, because I have done this job on my market turning points indicator. Now you can see the good level is staying here on my market turning points indicator, and that is why my students are very very profitable. Yes, it's not about we do not trade all the levels by the market turning points indicator. We trade it in a very different way. Like you can see a USD CAD, this is just rejected because it made a fresh level from here. Okay, so these are the liquidity areas that are available for the market, and similarly, you can see. Now, just look at this. This is the resistance for the retail trader. You can see the market breaks up. So this is the good. So whole selling zone is very good because the liquidity is taken, because this resistance that was available here, they are already hunted. Okay, that is why my this indicator is good. And if you want to get this, you can contact through telegram or email. Okay, so guys, even the same scenario is with the break of structure. Okay, I will make a separate video about the break of structure, but just this is the eye opening video. Like, this is the break of structure. You went bullish and you can see the price is going down. So why it's happening? Let me see if there is any level from my indicator. Okay, basically it works on the fresh level, so it will not show you okay any previous level here. Okay, so always use in a way that's it's going to make some sense, because if you are going to trade without the sense, it is not good for you. Okay, now for example, this is the AUDJPY 15-minute chart, right? Okay, now you can see this was the sport for the retail trader. Okay, the market basically has came down to take the liquidity. Now the liquidity is taken. So these, and if you get any level from this area, or might be at the upper side, then this could be a good job to go and target the next level or halfway in between these levels. Because if you are just trading based on the change of character, then I'm really sorry that this is not going to work, because you need to understand that these are the tactics that already the market makers and the institutions and smart money knows very well, and they will simply eliminate you in no time. Okay, so always use the things with the proper common sense, and I hope that you got the understanding from this video. Okay, now you can see this is another liquidity pool area. Look here, we have few touches. If I extend that level, no, no, this is becoming a proper liquidity pool area. Now let me show you where my turning points is. Look at this. It is telling you to take the buy opportunity from here. So actually the retail trader is taking the entry from here. Whereas my students who have the market turning points indicator, they are trading from here. There is a logic, there is a sense, and when you will have this indicator, you will understand that this indicator is very, very powerful. Okay, but if you don't have the indicator, now what you can do, you can simply switch your time frame to the 30-minute and see the more depth area. Like, okay, the more depth area is lying here, but again the same, that if you will buy from here, then what will happen, the market will again liquidate you, and simply go to the 1 hour and simply keep on digging further. Because if you just look at this, there is another liquidity pool area here. So the market simply always goes, and it first of all, it will hunt the all liquidity that is available here, and then from here it can turn like this and target the upper area. This is how actually the market algorithm work. Okay, so my advice, do not focus on the change of character blindly. Always wait for the confirmation, wait for the fair value gaps, wait for the proper levels to take a wise entry. Not like this, because otherwise this will happen to you all the time. Like, this is a bearish change of character, but the price is reversed. So what is the purpose of trading the change of character? You don't know. It means that until unless you don't understand the word liquidity. So if you don't know anything about the liquidity, just go to my playlist, find the advanced free trading course, and you will learn everything for free from my YouTube videos, and understand the liquidity, and then come to trade the market, and you will see genuine results in the market. Okay, guys, so this is all about the today's lecture, and hopefully we will be back with another lecture that will be the next lecture number 9. Thank you so much.